Hi guys, this is Young. So it's been a while since I talked about Osmo Pocket device, but of course I haven't stopped using it, especially in my Finland travel vlogs. I'm sure many of you guys have seen, but if you haven't seen already, then please do. So today, why have I especially made one video about Osmo Pocket when I've already talked so much about it? Finally got myself a Wi-Fi module. Finally. And what's more, I have this perfect case from Tiny Rigs that's designed to fit in Osmo Pocket with Wi-Fi module. Perfect fit. Even your tiny filter, I'll fit it here. Well, very secure. And of course, if you have Wi-Fi module, which unfortunately doesn't transfer the data, then you want to still hold on to your USB connector. So either you can put it here, but of course it's more convenient if you have it separately, either inside, or more conveniently this way, at the back. It even has extra slot for your micro SD card here. Super duper secure. Like nothing will fall. I mean, even without the rubber, nothing will fall. I don't have the scroller, but scroller is perfect fit here as well. While I actually was talking to the maker of Tiny Rigs, I was like, yeah, this product looks really interesting. It's something that I think my viewers would be very interested in. So I was like, can I do a giveaway for my subscribers? And he was very happy to do so. But for the giveaway, please do wait until the end of the video and I'll give you all the details about it. So today I want to talk about 3 ways in which you can maximize using this Wi-Fi module. So the first is you can communicate between your mobile phone, DJI Mimo app, and also Osmo Pocket wirelessly. You can do a lot more, and especially the favorite function of Osmo Pocket for me is time motion lapse. And a lot of times at sort of my level, you may not be able to capture that motion time lapse in perfect angle. A lot of times you want to kind of like put it somewhere interesting. You can communicate to Osmo Pocket wirelessly and then adjust with the joystick and get that perfect angle for the motion time lapse. And the second way is, of course, you can shoot yourself as if you have a cameraman. Unfortunately, you can't use the mic slot, and mic in Osmo Pocket pretty sucks. So what you can do is for those footages where you don't really need to speak into it or speak not much to Osmo Pocket, you can get some shots like these. And the third really useful tip about having this Wi-Fi module is if you're a fan of doing this crazy long exposure shot, then you can actually connect the cable or like power bank onto Osmo Pocket, and it can basically go as long as power bank allows. Now, giveaway time! So how can you win the exciting Osmo Pocket Travel Case? It is so simple. Please upload your best Wi-Fi controlled Osmo Pocket shot. It could be picture or video, and hashtag Tiny Rigs. Tiny Rigs and I will select the best footage or picture, 2 of you guys, and Tiny Rigs will directly send Osmo Pocket Travel Case to you. I will announce it also in one of my next YouTube videos, so you will know that you won, and will DM you on Instagram as well. So I'm really looking forward to seeing some of your amazing footages where I'm sure a lot of people can learn from as well. So go and take some great footages with Osmo Pocket, and I'll see you in the next video.